Me never hear that in a music yet. Me never hear that in a music yet. The man say she probably fucked Tom, Dick, and Harry, and if not, she probably took Dick from Harry. Yo, word play, brother. Similes, metaphors for kill for days. Water. Water. A lot of water too. Sit here. Alright. Pull up in a the beamer. Hennessy and Cranberry, the killer no drink. Boom. Yellow boom to the rhythm. Said she want red boom. I said she have the good. I said she not talk. Uptown, listen good. I thought if it make clip a shoot. Rich badness, me no smell like in a cup. Some boy grew up in a house like America Kush. With blood long time family could be a foot Anna. We a lucky globe enough gal in we lay and look like back road. You're seeing with the weed, but I carry half pound. The one when I am loud and even have sound. Yo, tear gun. My circle knockdowns and nothing ever stuck a throat like fish bone. Hold on then. Blackness well known, them a say me too cheap like China. Wait, me have a million and me cologne. Clean to the bone up in the crime zone. Y'all say me think tough like big stones. When me touch the road, me gun on the rim scrum. Yeah, me style them a beat. Yeah! Yo, what is up, guys? Jamaica Risk came out here again with another reaction. Bah! Got to start out with some energy. Cause I know it's about to be energy. So before we do anything else, do this. So guys, as you can see from the thumbnail, Clavish, see you call the name? Clavish, Daily Duppy. This song been out about a week now. I never do it. I never do the reaction. So I say, I give it a bit of time, cause I don't rush, I don't go with the crowd, I just do my thing when time I feel like it. That is how I do my thing. You know what I mean? So now that you like before you start watching, you know that I have my lighter. And now I have my water. Take a sip. Make we go down another reaction here without no further delay. Let's go, bro. I don't know what to expect from this guy. I don't know who he is. Obviously in big in the UK, but I don't know who. But the views are climbing like when a monkey is climbing a banana tree. No, monkey not climb banana tree, idiot. Like when a monkey is climbing a tree. Not just a banana tree, brother. Nobody can climb banana tree like that, brother. Come on, don't do that. Let's go.
My favorite nitty's always coming short. The one I hate scores the most.
Wait, as him start, I have to rewind that. Him say him favorite junkie, him favorite crackhead, him favorite nitty. Always short. Him favorite one. So, you know, say because him short, him I go give him it anyway. Because I'm favorite one. But the one when I'm hate, the one I'm call the phone and say, yo, the one the annoying one them, the one them who's annoying. Always have them right money. So I'm have to see them. So I'm not have no choice because money him defending money. So no matter if me like you or not, I'm gonna need my money. But the one them I'm a favorite one them I can cool and say, oh I go on, you go the clean looking one them. Not the rough looking, the clean looking one them. Where work and thing. Always short. But I'm a favorite them, so I'm stuck in a rock and a hard place. What can I do? We like how this start. Let's go again.
My favorite nitty's always coming short. The one I hate scores the most. My shorty talks the most. Never sticking to a word. If you've ever said you're smoking on a pack and your gang didn't drop that, then sorry, but you're nothing but a nerd.
So, him same girl talk the most. Him girl, we all know. Big up the ladies who watch your channel. Him same girl talk the most. The second part about the drop on them, I didn't get that, so somebody explain it to me. Let's hear it again.
Ever said you're smoking on a pack and your gang didn't drop that, then sorry, but you're nothing but a nerd.
Okay, me not understand when him said this, so I don't understand that terminology.
What the hell did you just say?
Terminology.
Something alright?
Certain words me can't say, I'm sorry. Certain words me can't say. Terminology.
coming short, the one I hate scores the most. My shorty talks the most, never sticking to a word. If you've ever said you're smoking on a pack and your gang didn't drop that, then sorry, but you're nothing but a nerd.
That sound interesting, but me not get it. Can somebody please explain what him said this or what he mean by that? I heard what him said, but me don't know what him said.
They're saying Clavish, you're the hardest. Tell me something I ain't heard. 𝐷𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐍𝐆. Tell me something I ain't swerved.
Man say, yo, them always say Clavish, you're the hardest. Man say him know that, so tell him something what him don't know about himself. Him know that. Him say Benz, Audi, Mercedes, him swerve them already. So show him, give him a next car where him not drive yet. That him I say.
Burnt bridges with niggas I used to roll with every day. What you think I won't do that for a box of yayo dirt?
Woo!
Hardest, tell me something I ain't heard. 𝐷𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈���𝐍𝐆. Tell me something I ain't swerved. I've burnt bridges with niggas I used to roll with every day. What you think I won't do that for a box of yayo dirt?
The man saying burn bridges with some people when he used to chill with. Yo, the party. Like the thing just started, I pause it. I'm sorry, but I have to pause it. Have to pause it. Have to. Sorry.
With niggas I used to roll with every day. What you think I won't do that for a box of yayo dirt?
The man say, yo, me used to chill with niggas. No, burn the bridge. Me burn the bridge them. You think so me not gonna do that for your box of yeah? For your box of coke, diet coke? Cause you don't know YouTube or watch, you see me? You think me not gonna do that for your box of diet coke? I want to you, I have to do that. Me not sure about that though. Me not think me that deal with my friend them stuff for that still. Me not think that. Let's see where this goes still.
Sunday I'm in the tea, but I should be in the church trying to pray and seek forgiveness. Cause I really put in work, my nigga.
And say Sunday me at the trap house, the trap house. But really him should be at church. But church not getting no money, bad man. Trap house are getting money, so he's all about his money. I'm all about the money. Like broke life never know me. Whoop, whoop, him will never learn. I'm all about the money. He's all about his money, brother. That he must say, brother. So let's go.
Nigga said he's gotta drop him over there, don't say a word. And if I get nicked, I know the thing, don't say a word. I can sell lyrics now. What's your budget for a verse?
Man say, yo, if me get catch by the police, me know say the drugs that me get catch with now, go say nothing. Cause here what, me not par with nobody when me do me thing. When me out here I do me thing and me alone I do me thing. So, if me get catch, I am my own enemy. I can tell on myself which me not go do. Me not par with nobody where I go tell pa me. Cause you can't trust them boy nowadays. Them we tell pa you just forget a lighter sentence. That's how I must say right, so not me.
What's my budget for a burner? Really trying to let it back and sell. I'm over there, don't say a word. And if I get nicked, I know the thing, don't say a word. I can sell lyrics now. What's your budget for a verse?
Man say, yo, me a writer now. I can sell lyrics now. What's your budget for a verse, brother? Like, how much you can pay me for your fire verse? How much you can pay me? Cause you know so me can write too, plus me can deliver. So what you say? Yeah, I think business.
What's my budget for a burner? Really trying to let it burst. Mix the Henny with the Henny. Really trying to get on burst.
Man say, yo, what's him budget for your hunting, for your gun, for your burner? What's him budget? Basically, him not a budget. If the price is right, he may buy it. You see it?
Told my jail niggas head high. Car it could be worse. 2 G's or checker squares. Which one does she prefer? I'ma buy my mama crib before I buy a bitch a purse.
Me like that. Water. Bumbo clot bad word too with water. Yeah. The man say, yo, me go buy my mother a crib. So me buy a girl a purse. It not gonna be the other way around. Me not gonna buy my mother a purse and buy a girl a crib. Negative. Error. That will never happen. That not gonna happen. Lift up. That will never happen, girl. My mother come before you. Know yourself. Let's go.
Rather be inside the bin than be stiff up in a hearse. So I keep it with me. Niggas want me, but I want them first.
Man say, yo, I rather be in a cell than they in a hearse. Dead body got hearse. Man in a cell live and see me and still have chance to come out. That video is gonna be very long, you know. That video is gonna be long. Cause this is 8 minutes long and you see me? It's gonna be long.
She's got a bone to pick, I got a bone to dig. And when I'm done, don't phone my phone or text me. I don't owe you shit. Niggas got
She have a bone for pick. He have a bone for dig. You dig it. She have a bone for pick. Argument she look, but If I want dig it, man don't want an argument with them. Man just want dig it and come on.
Bin, then be stiff up in a hearse, so I keep it with me. Niggas want me, but I want them first. Said she's got a bone to pick, I got a bone to dig. And when I'm done, don't phone my phone or text me, I don't owe you shit. Niggas got both their hands out, but I don't owe them shit. When I was on my face, I'm pretty sure you was getting lit, my nigga.
Man say, one time him say right now him up, niggas I hold them hand out for hands out, basically. You see me? And one time him was down, there was no one around. That's what I say, in a my own way, but in a film. Yeah, go.
Too sorry for being antisocial, I weren't in the mood. Rappers spending time telling lies, don't you miss the truth when I...
Rappers telling lies. So basically I say, yo, enough of them rappers are out, we are rap about this and rap about that. Lie! You are lying! That's what I'm saying. So enough of them rappers we are out, so we are saying do this and do that and do that. Why the F you lying? Rapper, why you lying? That the man I say, not me.
When I die, I don't really care if I go hell or heaven. I just wanna link my nigga NB, car miss my goon.
R.I.P. to him goon. Man say, yo, when me dead, me no care which part me go. Me no care which part me go. If me go hell or heaven, as long as me there beside of me G, me nigga. You understand? That the man I said to your brother. Let's go.
Hungry young and hitting all these 1-on-1s and 2-on-2s, active with it, swinging shit now. I got blood all over. Hungry young and hitting all these. I go hell or heaven. I just wanna link my nigga NB, car miss my goon. Hungry young and hitting all these 1-on-1s and 2-on-2s, active with it, swinging shit now. I got blood all on my shoes.
The part that sound deep, but me no want break it down and or dissect it and get it wrong. Me no want break it down and dissect it and get it wrong. So I'm gonna leave that one there. But I think I know what it means, but I'm gonna leave that one there.
Ops that I don't know of in the flesh, asking what's my name. Fans call me Clavish, hood call me Nettles. Fuck.
Yo, man say, ops that
I don't know of in the flesh, asking what's my name. Fans call me Clavish, hood call me Nettles.
Man say, ops where him never see before, him never meet them before. I ask him name. Him say, yo, fans call him Clavish, and ops. Oh, what odds? I want to call him Nettles. Man, what Nettle means still.
Fuck it, who are you? Didn't ride out or trap before me. Scored a point on a op, made a rap before me. Shorty asking if I meant what I said when we were fucking. Don't remember half the things that I say when I'm horny.
Yo, the man say don't remember what him say when him on the dog. We man don't remember what they said more time. We just want get the tip of it wet. We just want get the tip of it wet. We can't really hold up a talking. Right now, I will tell you anything what you want here. I will tell you anything what you want here just for you shut up and walk up and let me in. Let me do what I do and forward out. Lighter! Yo, the brother, you're bad. Clavish, you're bad like Jamaican police. You're bad like the military. Dog, you're bad. Bad mean good. You're bad, brother.
Niggas ride at midnight, my niggas ride in the morning. I'm bagging up at midnight, call me at 9 in the morning.
Man say, yo, normal people ride out in the middle of the night, go do them ups. We are doing it in the middle of the day. In the morning. You see me? Him say, nighttime when them a ride out, the ups them a ride out, him a bag up him thing. So call me 9 o'clock in the morning, cause him a go up, him a go ready for touch the road. You see it?
Got a shot for a 9 at 9 in the morning. All profit, took a half box off a prick you're not shotting.
Man say, him get a call for your 9 bar. Get a call for your 9 at 9 in the morning. So you know it's a big food in my shot. Big food. Man not shot no small food. Big food man not shot no bone. So him get a call for your 9 bar at 9 in the morning. I have to go for that, cause I hold for money that.
If the shotty starts coughing, could end up in a coffin. The fiends need what I'm selling. This don't make me a wrong'un. This
deep. Officer, I'm gonna say what he's saying, but don't lock me up when you see me on the road. Please, I haven't done nothing. I'm just reacting. The man I say, yo, it's a shotty cough, a boy will end up in a coffin, so you know it's a shotgun. Boom! When if it spit out, people will dead. The man say, yo, the junkie them, the crackhead them, the fiends them need what him a sell. So don't call him a wrong and them need it. So him a feed them what them need. That's what him a say. Not me. Don't kill me.
Got a flicky anytime I eat in Mayfair. Brought the ting to Nina's album premiere. Should we gotta pass the up block on the way there? Mum's back from work. I might have to bag up in a B&B. If you hold this whap up by the trainers that say CNC label.
I don't want to keep pausing it because the video got a bit too long. Let's go.
Who's wanna chat me? My views are not a Mazzoline, but any beat I jump on, I just murk it like a GLE. Bitches that just
Get that red player. The man say, yo, him views them mad them up. Any beat him jump on him, murk it. Like a Mercedes Benz, GLE, murk. Red player, boom, metaphor, similes, full of them, enough of them.
want me, also bitches that in need of me. They don't wanna trust me, but they're willing to believe in me. Told me if I'm being honest, I want you to be in me, but I'm not like these other hoes, so tell me what you see in me.
Yeah, some girl will say, tell me, what do you see in me? What you want from this? At one time, you have sex, girl. And it wasn't even real sex, a backers you get. Quick backers. Remember, say your belly did it hungry. Remember, say it's a quick backers you get. It wasn't nothing special. Wasn't no roses pan bed or anything like that. Remember, say a B&B we go. Remember, say you never know which part I live. You never know my middle name. What you mean, when me want from you? Turn back way. That me want you to do. Hush up your mouth. We got the good girls out there, but you have some trifling out there, man.
Hands on my right, never. Kittens phone the phone up, coulda lied. Better, bitches want me, reckon I'm a nice fella. Still trying to send my ops to the sky. Dweller.
He said to the girl, he's a nice fella. Gigan thinks he's a nice fella, but him still, on the next side, him still want to send him ups to him go heaven or hell. me still want to kill them. Anyway, me catch him, I go kill them, see him no matter what. You see? Yo, red play. Yo, the dog bad. If him bad, say bad. Alright.
Turned down 100 labels, shipping, trying to offer half of that. Run off on a plug with a whole one and half of that. Stressing about beef and not cheese. Parmesan, I'm in my zone too, trying to quang face, but watch out for the karma act.
I'm sorry, I'm not gonna break down everything what I say. It's gonna be like a full hour long video if me sit down and break down every word when him said that, cause it's too much. But me get what I say still. It is one of the best daily Duppy I have reacted to so far. It's not much I reacted to, but me like theme one. It's long, but me like theme one.
Watch out for the karma though. My nigga crash sav, so am I, but I'm calmer though. She want me to change her life. I ain't finished changing mine, and she's in libertine and tape every fry. So the answer's no. You're a party hoe, can't love.
Jesus Christ, dog. Why you make the video so long, brother? Me can't break down everything what you say. Why you make it so long, Clavish? Why you make it so long, brother?
Change your mind, and she's in libertine and tape every fry. So the answer's no. You're a party hoe, can't love her. Fuck that, probably fucked Tom, Dick and Harry. And if not Tom, she defo took dick from Harry.
What?
Change your mind, and she's in libertine and tape every fry. So the answer's no. You're a party hoe, can't love her. Fuck that, probably fucked Tom, Dick and Harry. And if not Tom, she defo took dick from Harry.
Whoa! Me never hear that in a music yet. Me never hear that in a music yet. The man say she probably fucked Tom, Dick and Harry, and if not, she probably took dick from Harry. Yo, word play, brother. Similes, metaphors for kill, for days. Water. A lot of water too. That too hot. That too more fire too. Me never hear that in a nobody song yet. Me never hear that in a nobody song. It might be simple, but it's effective. Me never hear that in a nobody song yet. The man said she probably take Tom, Dick and Harry. But if not, she probably take dick from Harry. Yo, Jesus, brother. Why you stay so? Why you doing this? Come to your yard. Go on to your yard. Go and run. Your mother call you. Go home, bro. Your mother call you, brother. You're too bad, brother. Yo, the video go long. Me no business neither, dog. Me no business. Me break down him thing, brother. Me break it down, dog. Him video go long.
I got 3 shots waiting on me. Tom, Dick and Harry. I'll lick Thomas in his yard, but D&H in the alley.
Thomas in yard, but... Okay, him have 3 junkie wait for him. Tom, Dick and Harry again. Go back to the Tom, Dick and Harry place again. Okay, him have 3 junkie wait for him. Tom, Dick and Harry. Him have got shot Tom in my yard, but H and D in the alley. Yo, cause him can't got him yard.
Niggas know I really did it for the bros. I heard Dookie be the most on it, young and on your block, but we send him out on loan. Anytime I take a L, I get a V for the road. She gave the box like Roddy's song and 8 down below. 6
Continue.
months for a Rammy, got a year when I walk on the mains. I know a lit nigga, but his ego turned him to a lame. Fuck the fame, no girl's pregnant for me, but I got a fours in the Pyrex and 2 daughters on the way.
Jesus Christ. People, me I go end that video. Me I go end that video, people. Me I go end that video. Me no want you no more, right? This I go be probably the first video me I go end. This I go be probably the first video me I go end.
No. No.
Me I go end it, dog. Me I go end that video, yeah, brother. Honestly, me I go end it. Me I go end that video yeah, before it finish, dog. Yo! Yo! Yo, me end the video, dog. If you know what, me continue with the second part, make me know. Me I go end that video, yeah, brother. Me can't deal with it. Later, dog.